All right, so we got to find the area of 3 different figures here. So what I'm going to do, I'll start with that. Well, let's do this. Let's start labeling sides. So this is a quarter circle, so that distance is 3, means this is the same. That's the radius of that quarter circle. And then you use Pythagorean theorem to find the height of this triangle. This is a triangle you might recognize, a 3, 4, 5 triangle. If you didn't know that, you didn't know the 4, you could give him a name, let's call it x. And you'd have to say 3 squared plus x squared equals 5 squared. And then once you do that, 25 take away 9, you get 16. I know I did that kind of quickly. But that's how you would find that third side, okay? So that means the radius of this circle is 2, distance from here to here. All right, so let's start with the triangle. So the area then of the whole thing, the triangle would be 1/2 times the base, 3, times the height, 4, plus, let's use red for the quarter circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. R is 3, but we're going to have to take 1/4 of that since it's just a quarter of a circle. And we'll use the same idea. I'll use purple for my semicircle. The radius there is 2, so it would be pi r squared, pi times 2 squared, and then because it's only half, we'll take 1/2 or multiply by 1/2. Okay, so let's clean this up. 1/2 times 4 is 2, so that's a 6. This would be 9 times 1/4, 9/4 times pi. Plus, this will be 4, half of 4 is 2, plus 2 pi. At this point, we go to our calculator. Now, when I plug that in, so hopefully we found the error there that you were asking about. So when I plug this in, I do get, well, let's go ahead and I'll show you how I'm plugging it in. I could add these together first. That'd be 6 plus 9/4 pi plus 2 pi. 2 is the same as 8/4. So if we want that as one term, that'd be 17/4 pi. You don't have to do that if you can get that into your calculator. That's the exact answer. Let's see what that looks like when I type it into my calculator, which will be Google right now. 6 plus 17/4 pi. So 6 plus 17/4 times pi, and that should give me 19.35. 19.35, and then we need our proper units. We got inches squared since we're doing the area.